It's a gorgeous, premium, glossy, all-glass and metal phone that has these awesome colour layers built into the back, so the dark black middle gradients into the glacier blue or the Bordeaux red edges. It both looks and feels very high-end. Now, unlike most other smartphone manufacturers, Oppo has managed to build a phone with almost no bezel around the display at all, except that slight chin on the bottom. This huge 6.4-inch OLED Full HD Plus display dominates the front surface with a screen-to-body ratio of nearly 94%. Now, of course, this meant solving the issue of where to put the front camera, and Oppo has done this in a rather interesting fashion by building a pop-up mechanism that contains both the 25-megapixel front-facing camera and the dual 16 and 20-megapixel rear camera systems. But on the front, it's not just the camera. It has infrared and 3D sensors to add depth data to facial recognition as well, making it secure enough for payment authentication and not just unlocking your phone. Of course, it's going to be used for animated emoji too, because why not? Now, the pop-up motion seems smooth and fairly quick in our first hands-on, but time will tell if that holds up, and whether it'll cause any issues like dust getting stuck in there. Now, looking around all the edges, there's the usual selection of buttons and ports, but not all in the places you'd expect. The SIM tray lives on the bottom edge next to the Type-C port, and there's no headphone jack, and there's no fingerprint sensor either. Now, inside there's a Snapdragon 845 processor, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and a 3750 mAh battery that charges really quickly with the company's VOOC charging. And software is ColorOS 5.1 based on Android Oreo. Now, on first looks, it seems like a really high-end premium phone, albeit one with an unusual mechanical feature. Is it gimmicky? Perhaps, but it's a great way to announce the brand in Europe. It launches for an eye-watering €999 later this year in a handful of countries. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you again soon.